Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. The non-LED headlights, such as the headlight and the front turn signal, are accessible by simply reaching behind the bulb housing. You may need tools to help you pry off a cover, but otherwise no extensive parts removals will be required to change these bulbs. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a very straightforward process. The clear instructions on the touchscreen menu will make for a hassle-free procedure. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The taillights have more tedious access. You'll need multiple tools to remove the securing fasteners and to pry the housing out of the vehicle, which will be time-consuming and won't allow for reliable bulb changes. You'll need to pry down a panel from underneath the vehicle in order to reach the Petcock. This will require you to use tools as you work upside down in an awkward position, which will make for cumbersome access to perform a coolant flush. You'll need to disengage multiple Phillips head screws before you can change the engine air filter. Some of these screws are difficult to reach, and once disengaged, you'll need to use a bit of force to lift up the cover for access to the filter. Overall, despite a few challenging procedures, the 2017 Chevrolet Trax is a moderately easy vehicle to maintain that would be a good choice for the novice car owner.